Hello guys, good morning. Today, last day namin today. Mag-aayos lang ako ng bahay. Maglilinis ako para pagbalik namin dito is maging okay ang bahay. So curly. Curly ng hair ko. Hirap mag-dry ng mga dishes kasi nga maulan. Yeah, maybe I'll just put in the bowl. Ito yung oranges na ni-squeeze natin siya ng nakaraan. So, kailangan siya namin ubusin bago kami umalis. Tita Jogi. Umuulan, grabe. Tingnan nyo sa labas, guys. What do you want? Pet the dog? Pet the dog. Ulan. Hindi masyadong kita, pero umuulan siya. Sana lang bukas pag alis natin, hindi siya maulan. Kasi mag-ride lang kami ng Uber and kailangan namin lumabas. So, ayaw naman namin. Tingnan nyo naman si Casey. Masyadong papansin. Oh my gosh. Casey, pwede ba? Yung camera ko, hindi siya na-dry. Parang nabasa yung loob niya. So, medyo may pagka-blurry siya ng konti. And, what are you doing? Buang na siya, uy. Maglakad kami kasi check namin yung mailbox kung meron kaming letter. Yung mangga pala natin, meron siyang bulaklak. Tingnan nyo. Ito siya, oh. Dami niyang flowers. Tapos, meron pa siyang iba, magfa-flower na rin yung parang meron pang marami na lalabas na flower. Kung siguro mainit dito, naglabasan na yan sila lahat. Kaso hindi kasi mainit. Super ulan. That's why I said we should bring the umbrella. Sabi ko sa kanya, dalhin niya yung umbrella. Para just in case mag-ulan, so may payong tayo. Sabi naman niya, wag na. Kaya ayan, dark na naman. Yung weather dito ngayon, yung ganito umaaraw siya, tapos biglang uulan, alam mo yun. Gusto ko sanang maglakad-lakad. Kasi nga, parang ito lang yung medyo best day. For like 4 days, ito lang yung best day na lumabas yung araw. So gusto ko sana maglakad-lakad ng konti. Kaso, kailangan sigurong bumalik. Last day na nga para makapag-check ng mailbox. Hindi pa namin magawa. Oh my gosh! Ito na yung rain. Training! What do I do? Kailangan ko tumakbo. Oh my God! Casey, don't be in the rain. We'll ask you a question. What would you love the most about Puerto Rico?
The rain.
That's not the right answer. Wrong answer. So tired. Meron akong payong. Kasi just in case mag-ulan. Malayo ang pupuntahan natin. You already know that we're leaving. Hey! Don't go too far! Come here! Pag hindi kami naka-order ng Uber, ang maghahatid sa amin, yung kapitbahay namin dito, na super duper bait. Our Barbados cherry has a flower. Did you know that Barbados cherry has a lot of flower? This one, yeah, it's a lot actually. There's a lot of coming.
I gotta pull that.
Pull what?
The vine is coming from here. I can see 1726 minutes. You can get $31.
It's not the same. It's different times. We'll check it tomorrow. We're gonna just leave very early. How steep it is going down.
Might be something good to eat.
Si Alex, naka-boots pa siya kahit naman semento yung daan.
I want to be able to walk when I get to Florida.
I'm sure.
That's why it's pink, so people don't think
Super mountain. And if you can see, there's a lot of houses over there on top of the mountains. What you doing?
I'm cleaning my feet. So here we got a mile on it.
Empty yung mailbox namin. Walang laman. So wala naman kaming nakuha. Super cloudy now. What you want? Sikat. Chew it more. He saw you working, so he start working. Okay, si nag-work siya. Chew it. Chew it. Ang daming bulaklak na nahulog sa ground. Galing yan dito sa tree na to. Super dami niyang bulaklak dati. Uulan na. Si Casey, ang putik-putik.
I don't want to get his whole body on.
Tapit.
He's on the side of the town.
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs, dry yourself.
Give me that. I'm gonna clean my shoes. Maligo na ako, oy. Maligo na ako. Tapos magkita na lang tayo bukas. Pagpunta na tayo ng airport. So bukas. Morning, dog. You ready to fly? Paalis na kami. Ang putik. The view. Bago tayo umalis. Ayan. And then they put chicken. Maybe you can remove the seafood. Gusto ko lang kumain ng may sabaw kasi ang sama ng pakiramdam ko ngayon. Masarap naman siya. So nandito na kami sa airport and so tatapusin ko na guys yung video dito. Tapos I'll see you na lang sa Florida. Doon na lang tayo magkita-kita sa Florida. End na natin ang vlog ngayon. Kasi baka mahaba na rin to. Kahit kahapon pa ako nagva-vlog.